Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today and excited to share a couple of announcements with you. 2 announcements to be exact. First of all, we're going to talk about Scrap Diva Designs Black Friday sale. And second of all, I have a giveaway, and I'm really excited to be able to get into that. But first, we're going to talk a little bit about Scrap Diva Designs. I am an affiliate for Scrap Diva Designs, and I will have my affiliate link down in the description box below. If you decide to shop through that link, it will give me a small commission. It won't cost you anything extra, and it won't affect your shopping at all. I really, really appreciate everybody who has used that link in the past and who may use it in the future. Like I said, it gives me a small commission, and it just helps defray the cost of buying designs for my own self to craft with. And I really appreciate that. And plus, it gives me opportunity to make goodies that I can share with my friends and family. So anyway, the Black Friday sale, 25% off the entire site, excluding bundles, and they must be in-stock items. Now, I am going to show you a few die sets that are pre-orders, and there are a couple that are currently out of stock. If you do attempt to purchase those, you're going to get a notification that that is the case. If they are pre-orders, they won't count towards the sale, but you can still pre-order them. If they are out of stock, you can contact Erica through the website and get on the wait list, and when they come back in stock, you'll be notified. The sale does not include bundles, and no coupon code is necessary. There is a minimum purchase of $20. So if you get 25% off $20, look at the savings that you're getting right off the bat. So great sale. Please take advantage of it. Now, the second thing is my giveaway. So let me put that aside. I am going to be giving away this die set. This is the Santa Book MEMORYDEX card, and I think this came out in the October release. It's brand new, still in the package. I have not used it. And this will go to one of my lucky subscribers. Now, I'm going to tell you what you need to do to be eligible for this, and you're going to have to watch the whole video to find out. Number 1, you must be a visible subscriber. A lot of my giveaways, I say you need to be a frequent commenter. But this time, I am requiring you be a visible subscriber. So that is the prize, and the first thing you need to remember is you need to be a visible subscriber. If you're not, please go into your subscription settings and make that change. I would really, really appreciate it. So that's the set that's going to be given away, and that is the first item on my list of instructions for the giveaway. So now let's get into some of the dies. And this basically is going to be a die share video. Some of these sets I have used, some I have not used. Some I actually have a couple projects that I had been working on. They're here on my desk. Not a whole lot that I have here handy because most stuff has already been sent out. But I'm going to share a few things with you. Anyway, so the first set I'm going to share, this is a pre-order. This is the 3D Hot Cocoa gift pouch, and this is absolutely stunning. If you have seen any of the projects that people have been making using these die sets, you're going to know how absolutely beautiful these sets come together. So that is the 3D Hot Cocoa gift pouch. Here is the winter flower set. Gotta love a great flower plate. This is the 3D envelope box A2 cards and envelopes. And you don't have to just put cards and envelopes in this box when it's put together. You can put anything you want to in it. Here are the Christmas words 2025, and they are shadow words with a beautiful stitching layer and script font. And okay, all of the ones I've just showed you, these are all pre-orders, okay? So I forgot to mention that. These couple here are currently out of stock, but if you do place an order or you want them, be sure to let Erica know that you're interested, so when they come back in stock, you can grab them up. This is the 3D Kisses box. I have not made that yet, but I look forward to doing that one. Here is the Fa La 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 triple layered word set. Absolutely stunning. This is the Peppermint Heart Candy Shaker set, and you get 4 different sizes. And let me grab another bunch of dies here. I've got a lot to share. And believe me, these are not all of my dies I have. This is the Gingerbread Bakery Shadow Word set. Absolutely beautiful. This is the Gingerbread Cookie Bag Topper. And the great thing about this is you don't have to just make a bag topper. You can cut these little gingies out and use them together as a set, or you can, after you cut them out, you can split them and use them individually. This is the Gingerbread Script Words, and once again, we have a beautiful layering piece. This is the 3D gingerbread jelly tote. And fun thing about this is after you make the tote, all the little die cuts that fall out of here you can use for shakers and for embellishing. This is the peppermint candy set, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sizes. Absolutely gorgeous and fun. And I do have a little project that I was working on earlier this week, and the video is already posted. I have not finished decorating this, but here's where I used a couple of those peppermints. This is a chip bag, and I've got one on the back there. So that's one. Oh, and here's some of the Christmas words as well. Okay, so that's one of the little projects I had left on my work desk here. This is the peppermint lollipop with bow set, and I actually used the peppermints on a Halloween swap, which turned out super, super cute. This is the candy cane rosette duo. You get 2 different sizes in here. This is absolutely stunning for layering or using alone or with wands. And I want to mention number 2 for the eligibility for my giveaway. You have to have a U.S. mailing address, okay? Too expensive to send out of country. I'm very, very sorry. Okay, this here is the Christmas tags and the Christmas tag stamp set, and these are sold separately. By the way, all of the sets that I've been showing you, other than the first few, these are all in stock and available for that 25% off sale. Here's the elf shoe shaker set. Super cute with 2 different sizes. And because we had so many baking and gingerbread, I thought I would pull out the Chef Hat mini album. Very, very cute. Love that. And here we have the shaker measuring spoon set. Also very cute. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes. Okay, and number 3 on the eligibility list is you have to be 18 years old or older. And right back to our dies here. This is the 3D pie gift box, and I thought this was good for that baking theme with the gingerbread, so I pulled this one out. And then here we have the CUPCAKE MEMORYDEX card. This one is super cute, also baking theme, and one of my favorite MEMORYDEX cards to create. You get lots of extras with that. Then we have the 3 different sizes of the gift pouch. These are like pillow boxes. You get the large, the medium, and the small, all sold separately. And I am going to be showing you in a couple of minutes some things that I made with these. I had actually been putting together a Happy Mail package. Oh gosh, it's actually been a couple of months ago, but I got interrupted with vacation, a car accident, a baby being born, my kitty passing away, and a variety of other things, and I never got back to it. So I have my unfinished Happy Mail here, which I'm going to share in a couple of minutes using some of these dies. These are all in stock. And then this one is the 3D carousel tray, and this was part of that Happy Mail package I was creating. And I think right now I'm going to share that with you. But before I do, number 4 on my list of items you need to do to be eligible for the giveaway, you need to like this video by giving it a thumbs up. So here is the little carousel that I put together, and I packed it so far with some little goodies. Let me pull these out and we'll take a look at those in a moment. But here is that 3D carousel. I think it turned out really cute. I still have some more embellishing to do on it, but here are some of the swap words, and I'm going to show you the swap words in a couple of minutes too. So I think that turned out really, really pretty. So that is one of the projects that I was creating with one of these dies. Here are 2 of those little gift boxes. These are the small gift boxes. They're kind of like a little pillow box, and I did create some rosette clusters on the top, and I'm using some swap words there. And tucked inside, what do I have in here? Oh, I have sequin mix tucked in this one. And what do I have tucked in this one? This one, I have a set of charms. So cute. Hopefully sometime soon I'll be able to finish this and actually send it out to one of my crafty friends. And then also I created a couple rosettes, but that's just a side. I did create some bows, and we're going to look at this bow die set in just a moment. And these are the small bows. If I can get them out. Look at how pretty those are. Okay, and I'm not going to take the other pack out, but I did them in different paper, but they're the same bows. And then we're going to take a look at the die set to create these flowers as well. So let me open this up. So here are the little flowers. I think these turned out gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then I have a second set of flowers. And here is one of the bows that we're going to look at. Okay, and this is the large bow. I think the previous one I showed you was the small bow. So you can see the difference in the size there. Okay, that's another one of the large bows. And then here are some butterflies I created. Let me get this one open. And these butterflies, which I think turned out gorgeous, this came from the 3D Butterfly Mini Album. And I will be showing you that die set in just a moment as well. So those are some of the projects I had been working on a couple of months ago, actually, that just never made it out in the mail yet. Okay, so here is the snowflake bow in large and small. This is also in stock and perfect for this time of year. This is the triple star bow. I used this to create bows for the 4th of July swaps I was in. This is last year's bow die. This is the gingerbread bow set, and this is really, really pretty. I've done these last year. Okay. This is the bow set that I used to create these, and this is the lace border bow. You get a large and a small. This is the flower number 2, and that was what I used to create these flowers here. Really, really pretty. And the next item on the requirements for the giveaway is you need to leave a comment on this video. Okay. And here is the Butterfly Mini Album 2, and I'm going to open this one up because the only thing you can see is actually the butterflies, and that's the butterfly that I used right here. Let me just see if I can grab this one out real quick. Yeah, so there's the actual Butterfly Mini Album. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. Here are swap partner words 1 and 2, and these are the words that I was using on my little carousel and on my rosettes, and I will be creating with more of these when I finish this package of goodies up. This is the Belly Band Duo, and this set you get the oval shape with the pretty scalloped border, and you get this one with the hearts on it. Absolutely gorgeous, and I've used both of these already as well. And number 6, number 6 we're going to talk about at the end of the video. So we've gotten 5 different requirements so far. I'm not going to go over them. You have to watch the video to find them, okay? The last design set I'm going to show you, and this is a crafting essential. This is the Shabby Chic Doily set, and I have definitely used this one many, many times. So anyway, I know this has been a long video, and it's basically a video just showing some of the absolute beautiful design sets from Scrap Diva Designs. I have a ton. I'm sure many of you do as well. I want to reiterate the Black Friday sale, 25% off all items in stock. Does not include bundles, going on November 28th through the 30th. No coupon necessary. I would appreciate it if you would use my affiliate link down below. And now I'm going to give you the last thing that you need to know about to get into my drawing to win this absolutely beautiful Santa Book MEMORYDEX card. Okay. It's a doozy, people. I know it is, and I'm really sorry, but I want to reward somebody, and this is the way I came up with. So, besides doing all of the things that I already mentioned in this video, in order to be eligible to win this die set, you need to make a purchase through my affiliate link during the Black Friday sale, which is going on November 28th through the 30th. Now, in order for me to know that you've made a purchase, okay, people use my link and I so appreciate it, but I never know who it is. All I know is somebody made a purchase, okay? And I know the amount of the purchase, but I don't know who did it. So, in order for me to enter you into my drawing, I need to come up with a way to know that you made a purchase. So what I'm requiring is, make a purchase through my affiliate link. You will not be able to use my coupon code if you do it during the sale. You have to make your purchase between the 28th and the 30th. You need to email me a copy of your receipt that shows your purchase with the total so that I can match it up to the listing that I receive from Erica and know that you made a purchase, okay? And I will also have to have your name and your address and your email, so I have a way of contacting you. And I'm going to have that information emailed to me by December 3rd, okay? I'm going to go through all of the entries that I received the emails on for people who have met all the requirements, and I'll make the winner announcement on December 6th. When you send me your order, if you give me your address and your email and your name, I'll be able to get your prize out to you right away if you're my winner. So I hope that all makes sense. So 6 things you need to do, okay? I'm not going to go over them. You got to watch the video. But the last one I'll go over again. You need to make a purchase during the Black Friday sale, which is November 28th through the 30th. You must use my affiliate link because that will notify me that an order has been placed. You must email me a copy of your receipt that gives me your name, your address, and your email with the order total, and that will get you into the drawing. Like I said, I need those emails by December 3rd. I will make the announcement on December 6th. And as long as you have given me all the information I need, I will get this die set out to you right away. So thank you everybody for being one of my subscribers or my frequent commenters and watchers of my video. I so much appreciate you. And this is my way of thanking someone. I mean, I thank all of you. I really do. This is the week of Thanksgiving, and I just want you all to know how much I appreciate you, and I thank you for supporting me, my ups and my downs, my boo-boos and my successes, and whatever it is. I really appreciate all of you, and I can't thank you enough for being my crafty peeps. I just love and appreciate you. So please use that affiliate link, shop during the sale. Make sure you send me an email, and I would love to see your projects. Please, if you buy a design and you create something using it, please tag me so that I can see that you made something and support you and leave comments and likes on your videos as well. So thanks a lot, everybody. Have an awesome and a wonderful and a safe Thanksgiving for you and your family, and I'll catch you all in the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.